again. We're at the add-on that we chipped the curb up at. Got a little break in the rain today. Waiting on the delivery from Home Depot. They haven't called yet. Got it cleared out. Put some concrete bonding agent into the cracks so that when we get the break in the weather, we can fill that, or chip that curb up, we can fill that in. Got this cut them smaller sign, like little shims. Just gonna get that lined up. This slab is so much of an angle. I'm gonna cut some little metal shims for that one there. And once we get it level, put some concrete around it. This slab only is about 2 inches thick.
That metal blade sucks.
Just didn't cut it?
Those DeWalt blades suck.
Oh yeah.
They just get ate up.
How about that metal one?
That one sucks too. That one sucks worse than this.
Charlie used it cutting his roofing stuff yesterday.
The middle one?
Yeah, so we might need that in half. So if I can get it like that, it's something to make it a little less oblong. If not, you got this way, and then our post will have to bend. We'll come up. Get up. The wild blade sucks. There's something. What I was thinking is get it up high. It'll just, when it torques down, we can't have anything hanging over. Bend it. This one's no problem. We've got a nice anchor in that. And we'll be able to run that beam. This from over here up over to this one. We got everything set up. And just like I said, waiting on Home Depot. Got all of our brackets, deck screws, and then use some nice. These are for the exterior plywood. And they'll sink in really good. Yeah. Pop the line. Gonna go even with this. We brought some windows over there. We're gonna clean those up. So we've got this patch coming down. Line's mixing up mud. Some sand mortar mix. Let's put this while it's not raining. We're gonna put this first coat down. Not tripping in that hole anymore. So wall's coming out to that spot, but if they put cabinets on that wall, or put a coating down on the concrete. There it is. A little easy mix. Four posts we're putting up. Just putting the bracket in, drilling that through. Yep. It's so bad this slab drops probably 8 or 9 inches that way, because this is a dog kennel, so that's where he had the dogs at. All right, let's just dump a little for now. The leaves, and then I will fill in this big hole over here with the rest if we get enough. Stay tuned, hold on. So I just put the last of that down. Just gonna hit it real quick. Hopefully the rain doesn't affect us too much. We've got it coming in. Thinking of laying that on top of it. It'll to detect. And then, yeah, we're almost done with this. Still waiting on lumber to come. We're gonna get it dropped off over this way so it's easy to carry around this side of the job. They haven't even given me a call yet. And they said early in the morning. Alright, I'm gonna get this covered up. Put some sort of protection down real quick before the rain comes. Here in the rain.